install the XAMPP application. First, click the link. I'm gonna put the link in the comment section or down below. Then click the download. I've already downloaded it, so I'll cancel. Then go to my files where is my downloaded link. Double click. Just click OK. Then next. According to our instructor, we should uncheck the MySQL. Next, just leave it default. Then next, that's it. Wait for it. Just next. Click the next. Then wait until it will fully installed. That it will, then that's right, that's click to finish, and that's it. You are already installed the XAMPP application.